Hello, assalamu alaikum. Magacaygu waa Mowliidcube waxaan idin sharaxaa sida mobile phone internet connection kaaga u share garayn lahayd with other device adigoo isticmaalaya laptop-kaaga. Waxaan qaadanaynaa istaabada soo socdo cashirkeena wuxuu ku saabsan yahay how to share your internet connection with in Windows 10 using a mobile hotspot. Using your PC as a mobile hotspot, turn on your Windows 10 PC into the mobile hotspot by sharing your internet connection with other devices over the Wi-Fi. You can share Wi-Fi, internet, or cellular data connection. If your PC has cellular data connection and you share it, it will use data from your data plan. Here's the following. Here's and what to do, how you can share it as the following list. First, what you do is like go to the select to start window, logo start button on the left corner button. Then select the setting gear shape, setting icon, network and internet mobile hotspots. Then number 2, share my internet connection from choose the internet connection you want to share. And select edit new network name and a password and save it. Turn on share on my internet connection with other devices. Turn connection to other device and go to the Wi-Fi setting on that device. Find the network name, select it, enter the password, and then connect it. And all these steps we are going to follow, and then I'm going to show you as a physical as I read it. So let's go first. Go to the setting right here, setting. And then click the tab says setting up, and then network connection, and then here is a hotspot, mobile hotspot. Click here, and then when you click edit, you have to create a name. So let me just create a name. Mowliidcube, and then password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and capital A, and then save. And here is the username and here is the password. So I'm just gonna click share my internet connection with other device. Just do that, and then now I'm gonna check the other device so I can connect it from there. When I'm just putting my username and password, when I put my password from the other device, then I will be connected. Let's have a look. I'm gonna use my phone, and then it will appear like a Necma. Yes, click and share it, and then you are allowed here 8 devices to connect. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 connect. You see, Negma Galaxy S9. Okay, let me just use another device. And it will be very easy. Yeah, the device here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and password is 8, and I want character connect. There's another device coming. Yeah, unknown device. Let me try another device. Let's just get another device. I'm just trying to find the different devices so I can connect it. And internet. Yeah. Let me just type the password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and a capital A. Connecting another device is coming. 3 device. Let me try another device. If there's no battery on it. That's no battery as well. Let me do one more here. No battery as well. Now let me do this one. Another phone. Yeah. Let me type the password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and a capital A. Connect another phone is coming. How are you? Something like that. Oh, what's going on? 1 second. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A. Should connect now. Okay, never mind. There's a problem. The connection maybe it's another issue. So, and as much as you have 8 devices allowed to use your connection. So if I have got only here now 3 and I've got left 5 more, so I will be able to give a 5 and 8 people connection. Like for example, if my friends coming over and then they don't have an internet connection and I'm using my laptop, I can give it to my connection while I'm not giving my Wi-Fi. I can create a Wi-Fi for them and then a password, and then I can give it to them, and then they can connect it through the my created network or Wi-Fi. And I hope this is easy and very simple to understand, and I'm willing to get feedback. If you have any comment, write down to the comment button, and then share your friends, and subscribe and like it, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. My name is Mowliidcube.